We woke up early today because we had an early morning flight to catch. We had packed everything the night before and we just headed out to check out from the hotel. After checking out, we bought coffee at the cafe in the lounge because that was the only thing open. Then we took the taxi to the airport. The airport was very packed, but fortunately we found some seat in the Burger King. I just went around to check the prices of the souvenir and to compare it with the market price. Then it was time to board our plane, and again in this flight there was no food, so we were checking if we wanted to buy anything on the flight itself. For this flight we also paid extra to get a comfortable legroom, but we also found out we could buy the seat on the flight itself if it was available.
Yes, to get some water.
So it's time to open the presents. So these are the presents I received this year. Some are from my colleagues and some of the tiny ones like the small candies and chocolates are from my students, and also some cars are from my students, and the rest of them are from family and friends. So let's start opening them. This one is a chocolate flavor potato chips. Interesting. This one so prettily wrapped. Okay, let's open it. I think this one is for my husband. So pretty. Smells so good. Seaweed popcorn. This is a really cute gift my student gave me. There's a chocolate with a hat. It's so cute. So
So these are stickers. It's a perfect gift for teachers because we really need lots of stickers to give it to our students. And the good thing is it comes with smell. Nice. Inside there's also socks. This the teacher off duty. I was not feeling too well, so one of my colleagues gave me this pear cough syrup. It's good for the throat. There's some also here. Little candies and chocolates. Kids. And more popcorn. These are the cards. So not on this one. These are cards. And more to that side now. It's cute. It's hand cream. It's a foam cleanser. It's perfect. This one, Bina Didi gave it to me when I went to make my eyebrow. So she had prepared for her daughter's class and she had some spare. So she also gave it to me. There are many goodies inside with some pins, chocolates, candies, and little candy canes. This one of my students gave it to me with some marshmallows inside. And I've got more popcorn. This one is gummy, fruit gummy, apple, and this one is donut chocolates. So they're chocolates in the shape of donuts. I got some salted potato chips. And the gingerbread man shortbread. This one So these are cookies. Not cookies, they are butterfly puffs in different flavor. So both of them have butterfly puffs. This one is open, and then on the side I get some tea. It's very similar to what I got from London. And also some new press-on nails that are so cute. This one got a card and some cookies. So I don't want to open them right now. Baking cookies. And then I've got some tea. Berries tea. Amazing. And more chocolates. It's not opened yet, so I'm not going to open them right now. So that's all the gifts. I have opened them all and checked them. So I love these gifts. Thank you everybody for the gifts. And I'm going to enjoy the chocolates and cookies and all the goodies. And also this one smells so good. So I'll try to use everything ASAP. So thank you everyone. I hope you had a great Christmas this year. See you next year.